The issue I have is I am making these pieces. This is my mandrel. Is that what you call that? Word's escaping me for some reason. That I made. It looks a lot like this one. So it's Morris taper 3 here, goes into the taper of the spindle. I have the chuck on just because it's easier than swapping. That's why I made these mandrels that long, is I don't have to take the chuck off. Because the operation I'm doing, I'm actually chucking it and then putting it in this mandrel for the finishing touches. But the issue is, when I have it turned down like this, it's really difficult to get it unthreaded from there. And this is a part that the finish is very important on. So I need some way to grab a hold of that and turn it out of there. And luckily, outside Screwball, once again, came through to save the day for me. And he doesn't even know it yet. I've been racking my brain on this problem for a couple weeks now, trying to come up with ways to grab this and not ruin this surface. And just kind of like at the end of one of his videos, I think it was, Chuck showed a little tool that a friend of his had, and I said that is exactly what I've been looking for. That is the answer to my problem. So over here, I have a piece of scrap aluminum. And I got this pair of pliers laying there for kind of do the layout on it. I was just trying to figure out a good length to make this tool. And so I'm going to go ahead and kind of make it as long as these pliers, because these pliers get it off there pretty easy. But like I said, the teeth really mar the finish, and I cannot have that on this. Probably doing this over here on the drawer is not the most accurate place to do it, but it'll work. It don't need to be super accurate anyway, does it? Actually, now that I think about it. Yeah. Decent. Alright, see if I can keep it. I like doing layout work in aluminum. It is really easy to mark. Nice thing about using these drawers is I can put the sliding rule down into one of these pockets and don't have it kicked up like this all the time. That works pretty nice. I just realized something now that I went to cut this out. If I'd have put my hole over here and my handles over here, then I could have clamped down this entire bar to the table and done the cutting for the handles. Couldn't quite reach all the way down with the porta band, but that's okay. Alright, why are we so crooked? Frame has been on this thing. I can't get through there. Short stroke it. Alright, let's go see if she works. Tight. Oh, that works beautifully. Oh, did you see how easy that was? That is so easy. Need to, yeah, I got a little bit of a burr in there. You can see that on camera right there at my thumbnail. It's where the drill bit exited the piece, so you know, leaves that little ridge. Kind of making it a little difficult to get on there, but man, there we go. See that direction? It fits easy. That is just, yeah, can't get it by hand. Super easy. Oh man, I'm so impressed with that. That's just awesome. Yeah, put a little bit of shine to it on the belt sander. Rounded off the corner there. I didn't work in here any. Probably take the file to it or some sandpaper, make it look a little better, knock off these sharp corners, but I'll do that later. But yeah, this thing is just awesome though. I am just, what a concept, and heck, I can even tighten that up in there. Oh, that is just so nice. That's amazing. Tickled pink with that. Oh, that one's going to stick a little. Yep. Awesome.